Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage. On the application of Snapchat, we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find the application of Snapchat. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat. If you find updates here, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.